Imagine building your own app in less than 10 minutes without writing a single line of code yourself. Sounds impossible, right? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how I built a fully working timer web app using only ChatGPT 5. By the end of this video, you will not only see the app in action, but you also learn the step-by-step process so you can do it too. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Abdul. On this channel, we dive deep into AI tools, tutorials, and tech guides that help you stay ahead of the curve. Recently, I have been testing the limits of ChatGPT 5 and I wanted to challenge it to build something practical, a timer web app. This app can help with workouts, study sessions, productivity, or even cooking. So let's break down exactly how I built from scratch with only ChatGPT 5. Before jumping into ChatGPT, I outlined what I wanted my app to do. Display digital timer, have start, pause, and reset buttons, look clean and modern with responsive design. Optionally, play sound when the timer finishes. By having a clear plan, ChatGPT knew exactly what kind of code to generate. I started with simple prompt: can you build me a timer web app with start, pause, and reset buttons using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Within seconds, ChatGPT generated an HTML file with a structure, timer display plus buttons, a CSS block with basic styling, a JavaScript to handle the timer logic. Here is a quick look at part of the code. Now let us test it. Copy the code and open in the browser, and just like that, we have got a working timer app. Functionality is great, but the design matters too. So I asked ChatGPT to upgrade the look with a modern style. I gave it these instructions: use blue gradient background, center the timer on the screen, style the buttons with rounded corners, hover effects and shadows, make it mobile responsive using CSS Flexbox. ChatGPT immediately updated the code, and here is the result. Much better. It now feels like a professional little web app. I wanted to push it further, so I asked ChatGPT to add sound notification when the timer hits 0, animate the button when click it, include debug toggle. After updating the code, here is the new version. This makes the app not just functional, but also fun and customizable. This project shows the real power of AI assistant coding. You can go from idea to working app in minutes. ChatGPT explains the code, so you actually learn while building. You can iterate quickly by giving natural language instructions. Even if you are not programmer, you can still create apps that solve real problems or showcase your creativity. This is the final version of my timer web app, fully built with ChatGPT 5, clean, responsive, and useful. Perfect for workouts, study sessions, or productivity hacks. If you found this tutorial inspiring and want me to build more AI assistant, more AI powered apps, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future uploads. And let me know in the comments, what app should I build next using ChatGPT 5? The best suggestion will be featured in my next video. AI is changing how we create, and this is just the beginning. If you want more information about ChatGPT 5, I already did. Make sure to watch that video where I explain everything about ChatGPT 5. Thanks for watching. I'm Abdul, and I will see you in the next one.